Hello friends, my name is Milind Mahale. I am the student from Ycmou and I am right now studying in the last year, that is in TyBA, and English, the special English which I have taken. And today I am going to express my opinion on the book called as Indian Writing in English, in which I am going to tell about a chapter from book 1, which is non-fictional prose, and that chapter is written by the great Swami Vivekananda. And the name of the chapter is The Secret of Work, which is Unit 2. So initially, whatever the Swami Vivekananda have written in his essay, that is the conversion of his speeches. So that's what we are going to start. So initially he taught about, or he want to tell about the 3 needs that which actually people are required. And he tried to emphasize on the first thing, that is spiritual need. He also talked about the intellectual needs as well as the physical needs, that which these 3 things, which is required by the people. But why Vivekananda wants to emphasize on the spiritual need? There is some reason. Today we think that the physical need is quite important in our day-to-day life, as we are very much acquainted towards the Western culture. We are too much attracted by the materialistic need. Yes, materialistic need is today very much important. Without it, many of the things quite difficult for us. But let's assume that, for example, if we take an example, if a person, he is hungry, and if we give him a fish to eat today, his today's hunger will get satisfied. But still, that satisfaction will remain for that day only. And then again, on next day, he will be unsatisfied. So this is the first thing, that here we tried first thing, need, by giving physically. Then secondly, what we can do, we can give him a knowledge. We can give him knowledge by teaching him how to fish. And by that way, if he gained and he acquired that knowledge and he implemented it, obviously he can able to catch the fish, and he will be able to survive for a long time. But still, if he catch the fish, still in the mean future while, he will be in his mind that I am unsatisfied at some point of his, he will be unsatisfied at some point of his life. That emptiness will be automatically get in his mind. It's natural that the man is always the man is always in the hunger of achieving the things. Once he achieved one thing, again he wants to achieve second thing, and again he wants to achieve the third thing. But the ultimate, the achievement is the spiritual, that what the Vivekananda wants to emphasize. Then again he taught about the karma. He said that we need to work continuously, and that is our karma. Why we need to work continuously? Because on such thing, our value is dependent. For example, without doing things continuously, things would become meaningless. Vivekananda wants to emphasize on karma, and he said that we need to work continuously, and on such our continuous work, good and bad elements of our nature is dependent. Vivekananda also emphasizes on the karma. So talk about working continuously. In day-to-day life, we are doing things quite continuously, but we are unaware of the things. And if we get aware that if we are inculcating the good things in ourselves, we are becoming the good person. And if we are inculcating the bad things in us, we are automatically becoming the bad person, and we should be aware of it.